adding a table of contents in a Google Doc. You've created your document, you've added your headings, and you've inserted page numbers. Now go to the head of your document where you'd like your table of contents to be. Place your cursor there, and in the menu at the top, go to Insert, and last item on the list is Table of Contents. And you have three styles. I'm going to choose the middle one. And there you have a table of contents with your heading titles and your page numbers. And these are all now linked. So you can see how a user can very quickly get to specific information within your Google Doc using the linked table of contents.